Good morning, students. Today we shall discuss few questions based on permutations. Means the concept of permutation which is discussed by us earlier before the exam. Formula of permutation you know very well, NPR. So on base this concept we use the few questions. See this one, how can we go for arrangement directly? Now the first word is given to you. Here is a word given to you. The word is daughter. If you see the spelling of daughter, DAUGHTAR, this word having no repetition. In this there is a no repetition. Now he say find the number of arrangement of this word daughter. The first condition is that all vowels occur together. The first condition is all vowels occur together. Now see, first of all, in this word we select the vowels. Vowel. This A is a vowel, number 1. U is a vowel, number 2. HE. E is a vowel, it is number 3. So if you observe the spelling of daughter, there are the 3 vowels A, U and E, and kept all the vowel together, so we kept in a one bracket. Now next is the D is left, G is left, H is left, T is left and R is left. These 5 are the consonant. Now the important thing is this word containing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 letters. If you observe here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 letters. Now what is the meaning of this line? All vowel occur together. All vowel occur together means the vowel will be kept in one box, and they, whenever they arrange, they will arrange together. Now see this one. If I want to kept this packet of vowel between D and G, I can kept here, because these 3 will be make the result like that. D, A, U, E, after that G, H, T and R. If I want to arrange this complete packet after T, I can arrange. If I want to arrange A, U, E after H, I can arrange. So it means vowel occur together, means these 3 vowels whenever they move simultaneously. They can't be separated. Now count total number of alphabet you have. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This complete group always move together, so it is behave like as a one alphabet, that is 6. So there are 6 different alphabet, and these 6 different alphabet can be arranged themselves by 6 factorial. Now listen it again carefully. There are 6 different alphabet, they can be arranged themselves by 6 factorial. Now the second point, these 3 vowels go together, means A, U and E go together, but it is not necessary the A will be occupy the first position, U will be occupy the second position, E will be occupy the third position. It is a condition that A, U and E will remain together, but it is not necessary they follow the same here. So they can arrange themselves by 3 factorial, because maybe U at the first position, E at the second position, A at the third position. Maybe A at the first position, E will be at the second position, U will be at the third position. So these 3 alphabet can be arranged themselves in 3 factorial, because they are in one box. So these 3 can be arranged themselves by 3 factorial. So total number of ways are 6 factorial, that is 720, into 3 factorial, that is equals to 6. After multiplication you will get the result, that is equals to 0, 6 2 is 12, what is left? 1, 6 7 is 42 and 1 43. So there are 4320 ways by which we can arrange this word daughter in such a way the vowels come together. Now it is the first part of the question, that vowels come together. Second part, is the all vowels do not come together. Now the important thing is vowels do not occur together. Now the important thing, first of all, how many total letters we have? We have 8 letters. So we simply say these 8 alphabet can be arranged themselves by 8 factorial. Whatever I am speaking you have to write down, and after that you have give the result. 8 factorial, which the word daughter can be arranged themselves by 8 factorial because there are the 8 different letters. And now this 8 factorial is equals to 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This is the total number of ways by which the word daughter is arranged. When we go for multiplication, 2, 3, 6, 6 into 4, 24, 120, 720, 5040, and multiply by 8, 4032 ways. There are the total ways by which the word daughter can be arranged, 40320. But there are 432 ways by which all vowels occur together. So vowels do not occur together. Do not occur together. It is total number of ways minus vowel occur together. Total number of ways are 40320 minus 4320. Now you can subtract here. 320 is directly cancelled. It is what is left? 36,000. So there are 36,000 ways by the help of which vowel do not occur together, and in this case vowel occur together. 4, 3, 6.